right now, man. You. That's some big ass tornado. Crazy.
Looks like it's going from right to left to me.
Yeah, it's moving over to the bridge, bro.
Yeah.
I see trees falling right next to us. This is crazy.